Maharashtra has already moved a file to denotify the highways. Now, our government evidently is waiting for 2 or 3 months, according to the press report, for the bench to change. Now, what is stopping them from denotifying the highways? If Maharashtra can do it, it's come on today's paper that Maharashtra to denotify Mumbai highways. What is stopping the Goa government from denotifying the highways in Goa? Goa has got about 3 highways crisscrossing. So almost the whole of Goa comes under that ban. Now, if we had gone to the government, to the Supreme Court earlier and explained our position, I'm sure the Supreme Court would have listened to us. You see, we didn't go because there's a big game plan. None of the BJP ruled states have gone on appeal. It's only the non-BJP governments which have gone on appeal. This is their first step towards the Gujarat model to ban alcohol all over India. You see, they have been warned, Chief Ministers of BJP ruled states have been warned not to go when every other state was asking for their rights. BJP ruled states did not go. In fact, the Attorney General has said that we agree that we have been sending notices to state governments, and that is why we agree with that. So nobody has objected. On the part of Goa also nobody has objected. And who are the people who are suffering now? First, during the last government it was the mining ban where the poor people were suffering. Now also it is the poor Bahujan Samaj people who are suffering. Is this a ploy to finish the Bahujan Samaj? You see, any business, any small businesses, they're cutting off. Like the mining dependent people are still struggling after all the promises. And now, these people who are dependent on this alcohol sale, they are also now depending on the false promises of this government.